Hey everyone, I asked ChatGPT how to rent energy on trxenergy.app because a lot of people still overpay TRX fees when sending USDT on the Tron network. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I save on fees using rented energy. Here's my Trust wallet. As you can see, there's around 600,000 USDT on this wallet. I make a lot of transfers every day, and without energy, Tron fees add up fast. That's why I use rented energy. It helps me cut transaction costs to almost zero, especially when I'm sending USDT multiple times a day. Now let's go to trxenergy.app. This is the platform I use to rent Tron Energy instead of freezing large amounts of TRX. They also offer packages based on the number of transactions: 2, 4, 8, 12, 20 or 40 transactions. So you only pay for what you actually need. I'm going to choose the 40 transaction package for 7 days. Now I click Buy Tron Energy and the website asks me to connect my wallet. Once I confirm the connection, energy will be rented to my address and I'll be able to send USDT with almost zero TRX fees. Connecting the wallet through Wallet Connect. Just a few seconds of waiting while the connection is verified. Now the platform asks us to accept and sign the user agreement. I confirm it in my wallet, and we are redirected back to the site. The energy has been successfully rented. Everything worked. Back in Trust wallet now. You can see our address has active energy available. That means every transaction we make according to the package we selected earlier will use this energy instead of burning TRX. No TRX fees. The cost is covered entirely by the rented energy. Now let's quickly break down how this actually works and why it saves you money. On the Tron network, every time you send USDT, the network requires resources, mainly energy and bandwidth. If your wallet doesn't have enough energy, Tron burns your TRX to pay for the transaction. Most users don't even notice this, they just lose TRX on every transfer. But there's a smarter way. Instead of burning TRX over and over again, you can rent energy once and use it for multiple transactions. Here is the process you are seeing on the screen. Sender arrow, energy arrow, recipient. Energy acts like prepaid fuel. So when you send USDT, the cost is taken from your energy balance, not from your TRX. Why is this important? Because energy is cheaper than burning TRX directly. You keep your TRX untouched. No freezing for 3 days, no locking your funds, no constant spending. You simply pay a small fixed amount, get enough energy for 2, 10 or even 40 transactions, and your transfers become almost free. For people who move USDT frequently, manage investor funds, arbitrage, pay partners or employees, this makes a huge difference. You save money, your TRX stays in your wallet, and every transaction becomes predictable in cost. That's why renting energy is not just convenient, it's financially smarter.